Good morning everyone. My name is Dr. Afnan, and as we discussed about the previous topic regarding the task 1, a few topics were left and we will be discussing about that in the part 2. As in the previous example of the overview, we discussed about the line graph, and now we continue upon another example of the overview. Here we can clearly see the percentage of mobile phone owners using various mobile phones features in comparison to 3 years, that is 2006, 2008, 2010. So most of the people made calls from their cell phones in the year 2006 and 2008, that is up to 100, and in 2010 up to 99, making it the maximum use for the mobile phone. Whereas taking photos, sending or receiving text messages showed an intermediate usage. However, playing games, playing music, and recording video showed the least number of usage. Additionally, searching the internet initially showed no data, but however, over the time, the usage became more and more. So, the overview will be overall, the primary reason people use their cell phones was to call someone. However, during this time, there was a significant increase in the use of other features, with searching the internet displaying the most significant rise. So, here are a few examples of the overview. Number 1. Overall, the percentage of households owning their accommodation increased while the percentage of rented houses decreased. Number 2. Overall, the amounts of goods carried by roads, on boats, and through pipes all displayed an upward trend over the entire period. The exception to this was rail, which fluctuated throughout the period. After the introduction and the overview, we will talk about the paragraph 1 and 2. Never write the complete details of all the data you see in the chart. Just summarize it. Secondly, mention all the key features, the trends, the differences, and the percentages. Remember, maintain a developed process step by step and go on logically. Only make comparisons where it is necessary and proceed in an orderly fashion. Avoid going haphazard. So, after reading the question, how you can start your introduction? These are few lines. The presented table illustrates. The given chart reveals. The bar graph provides. The pie chart presents. You can also write according to the bar graph presented, or the presented graph indicates. You can also say the line graph clearly shows, or the presented table depicts. Last, you can also say the bar chart outlines. So here are a few adverbs for the task 1. You can use the words according to your need, like approximately, exactly, specifically, roughly, dramatically, abruptly, gradually, insidiously, markedly, slightly, significantly, slowly, steadily, and fluctuating. If there are some values which show rise, here are few verbs for the rise word. You can say climb, growth, increase, improvement, jump, leap, move forward, rocket, skyrocketed, soar, shoot up, pick up, surge, or recover. Few nouns as well for the rise word: increased, climb, jump, leap, pick up, surge. If there are values which show a drop or a fall, few verbs for the fall word is collapse, fall, declined, lowered, deteriorate, drop, dive, dip, go down, plunge, plummet, slide, slip, slump, took a nose dive. Few noun for the fall word as well, like decline, decrease, deteriorate, dip, drop, plunge, free fall, and reduction. If there are values which are showing fluctuation throughout the trend, you can use the word it stayed erratic, it stayed fitful, it varied throughout the time, there were few rise and fall, there were some shiftings, or there were some alterations throughout the year. I hope you find this video useful for task 1 and you scored the band you require. However, if there are any queries, you can let me know at the comment section and I would be glad to answer you accordingly. Please do like and subscribe my channel so that I bring forward more videos of similar sort and help you out in the journey of IELTS exam.